So guys, I'll be giving you the steps on how to fix this problem. And the problem is when you try to send someone images, or when you try to take pictures on your WhatsApp, it's not working. So I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will get the understanding of how to fix this problem. So first of all, when you open your WhatsApp and you try to tap on someone, and when you try to tap on the camera section, this is going to pop up, and as you can see, this is what has popped up. So they said you have to give WhatsApp access to your camera. So this is what you have to do. So just tap on continue, then you tap on while using the app. Do you get me? So tap over here on while using the app. So after doing this, you're going to get access to your camera. Do you get me? And you are going to see everything on your your gallery. You're going to get access to your camera. So that's how you can send pictures or take videos to someone on WhatsApp. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video.